This house looks empty. Perfect time for treasures. No one is watching me.
Goodbye, my dear children. Remember to lock the door.
We will return tomorrow.
Goodbye, Dad. Goodbye, Mom. We will be careful. The house feels quiet now. Yes, very quiet tonight.
Do you hear the doorbell?
Someone is outside.
Pizza delivery, number 42.
I am coming. Please wait.
Here is your pizza.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your dinner.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Mom chose our favorite.
Let us eat together.
In the living room.
Ooh, tomatoes and sausages inside.
It looks delicious.
This house looks empty. Perfect time for treasures. No one is watching me.
I am so hungry.
Me too, Anna.
This pizza tastes great.
Parents know us well.
Today feels lucky.
Yes, very lucky.
Many snacks in the kitchen.
I will take some. And maybe jewelry.
I feel 30 now.
I will get juice.
Please bring water too.
Okay, stay here. These shoe marks look strange. Mom cleaned earlier. These are not Dad's. Oh no! Someone entered! I forgot to lock doors! I must warn Anna! Anna, listen carefully! What is wrong, Tom and... A thief is inside.
I am scared.
Stay calm, please.
What should we do?
We will hide safely.
I will go upstairs. More valuable things there.
He is upstairs now. I will call police. Please hurry, Tom. Hello? Police, please. A thief is inside.
Stay safe and hidden.
We are coming now.
Police are coming.
Let us hide quickly.
This room is safe.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, it is locked.
Good, I feel safer.
Where is the money?
Jewelry and cash here.
Lucky night for me. This is the house. Move in carefully.
Police are here. I must escape.
I hear footsteps. Stay very quiet.
Come outside now. I surrender. I surrender.
Hands up, slowly.
Okay, I obey.
Tom, they caught him.
We are safe now.
You did well.
Thank you, officer.
Thank you for saving us.
Hiding was smart. Traps are not safe.
I understand now.
This bag is yours.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
We will call parents.
They return soon.
I will lock doors always.
Me too, Anna. My brave children!
We are so proud.
We were very scared.
It is okay now. You are safe.
But we stayed calm.
Everything is safe now.
Doors are locked tight.
Good night, Tom.
Good night, Anna. Oh.